Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Increasing clouds tonight as well as increasing temperatures. And then first thing tomorrow morning, there's a small chance for a light wintry mix. A small window for that as well, but it comes during the morning commute. And then we do have a winter storm watch that's in effect across our northern counties for Friday and Friday night. So as we head through the evening hours, temperatures will be warming. Cloud cover will be increasing. It's also going to be a bit breezy. And then there's the small window between, I'll say, about 4 and about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning where we have that light wintry mix and temperatures will be in the lower 30s. After that, temperatures get into the mid-30s and eventually 40s. And then we'll see a little sunshine in the afternoon. So early tomorrow morning, watch out for elevated surfaces because, as you can see, increasing cloud cover here through the overnight hours and not a whole lot of moisture, but it doesn't take a whole lot to get the roads a bit slick in some locations. So that'll be during the morning hours. Now, as for the winds, it increases here through the evening hours as well as the cloud cover and the temperatures. So a bit breezy here come first thing in the morning. But as we get into the afternoon hours, should be a really nice one. Temperatures will be warmer, the wind will be lighter, and we'll get in on some sunshine. So a pretty decent afternoon on the way. Then we look at the next storm system. This one will bring us some rain and snow. The snow is going to be across our northern counties where the heaviest of the snow is. And that's why there's a winter storm watch in effect. And that is for Friday and Friday night, where the best chance of the accumulating snow, where most of the snow is expected. So here we are, 10 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Temperatures are running in the 30s and we'll have a cloudy sky. The morning commute, not a problem. As you get towards lunchtime and into the early afternoon hours, we'll start to see some rain spread into our southern counties. Well, could see a little bit of a rain-snow mix farther north, get to about Highway 20, and then some light snow or a few flurries in our far northern counties. Move this ahead just a little bit towards 3 o'clock, and you'll see our southern counties from Cedar Rapids southward. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s and some rain. Then we get that wintry mix of rain and snow in there from Dubuque to Monticello, over towards Waterloo, towards Tama, just south of Old Temperatures will be in the lower 30s. Then north of that, it gets a little bit colder, and that's just snow. So your evening commute is going to be slick from about Highway 20 northward. Here's 6 o'clock, snow continuing to fall. South of Cedar Rapids, still some rain with temperatures running in the 30s. And then starting to change over to some snow from Blackhawk County to the western counties, but still in that rain in Dubuque, about 36 degrees. A lot of the moisture in our southern counties tapers off. It's still snowing at 9 o'clock across our far northern counties. Temperatures are in the 20s. Snow continues here at midnight, and then as we get towards 3 o'clock in the morning, the snow starts to taper off. Notice we haven't seen a whole lot in our southern counties except for a few flurries. As we get towards the morning, as the sun comes up, most if not all of the snow will have come to an end. Still some clouds around, everybody in the 20s, and then we'll see the clouds clear, and by lunchtime, temperatures will be in the 30s, close to 40 degrees, and we'll have some sunshine. And the wind will be a bit breezy, so those areas that have had the snow overnight, some of the blowing snow will be a bit of an issue out in the open country. So, snow forecast as we see it right now, 3 to 6 inches of snow. I think as you get towards the Iowa-Minnesota state line, could be some isolated higher amounts, but generally from north of Old Wine to Elkader, northward we'll see that 3 to 6 inch snowfall amount. Then you get farther to the south, 3 inches from maybe about Elkader, but you get into portions of, say, Buchanan County, Delaware County, and we're talking maybe an inch of snow, and then farther to the north, maybe 3 inches. So a narrow band of that snow tapering off pretty quickly from north to south, and then not a whole lot farther to the south. You go a trace to an inch as far south as maybe Cedar Rapids. Temperatures for tomorrow, we'll get into the 30s and 40s. We get a little more sunshine in the afternoon, may have to boost these temperatures up just a little bit. And then your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. There's your rain and snow on Friday, dry on Saturday with some sunshine, temperatures in the 30s. As we look ahead, your 10-day forecast shows whatever snow does fall may not last long. Look at the highs. Starting Sunday, we'll be in the 40s. Then we'll get into the 50s on Tuesday. I wouldn't be surprised to see a 60 or maybe into the 60s on Wednesday with a few rain showers possible very late in the day. That's probably going to be more Wednesday night. And then Thursday dry, a little cooler as we get towards the end of the week, but most of next week above normal temperatures are likely in the 50s, and the warm day right now is on Wednesday near 60.